Alright guys, today we're going to be working on a 2014 Ford Explorer XLT. We're going to be replacing the air filter. This air filter says it will work on a 2011 through a 2016 Ford Explorer. Once you pop the hood, this is the area that we are going to be working in. It is a little bit below the battery. To the left just a little bit, you should see an air hose. You're going to want to take a flathead screwdriver and you're going to want to loosen this clamp that's around the air hose. Once you've loosened this clamp, you're going to separate it from this air box and you're going to move this air hose out of the way. You should be able to prop it up a little bit on the engine just so it doesn't come back. There's two clamps that are right below here. You don't need any special tools. You can just use your fingers. But there's two clamps on the left-hand side if you're standing in front of the vehicle, and you just want to pop both of those clamps off. Once you remove both of those clamps, you should be able to take the air box and you're going to want to pull it to the left because there's little clamps on the right-hand side. You pull it to the left and bam, there's your air filter right there. We're going to take a look at it here in a second. It looks pretty dirty. This is the air filter I bought. I just bought it from Walmart. It cost about $12. They did have some that ran $44, but I'm cheap, so I just got the cheaper air filter, but you can get a lot better one for a little bit more money. So I'm just taking this air filter and I'm going to put it on the old air filter just on top of it to kind of compare the size and make sure that I bought what I was supposed to. Everything looks good. Look inside this air box and it's pretty dirty. So I'm going to take a shop vac and we're going to go ahead and clean out all the dirt, moths, rocks, anything like that. We're this far, we might as well clean it all the way, if you know what I mean. Once we got it nice, good, and clean, we're going to put the new air filter in. The exact same way the old air filter came out. On the right-hand side, you're going to see those holes. That's where these little clips go. And they just slide right in. They don't clip or anything. They just slide right in those holes. There's only 3 of them. So you're just going to slide it in to the right. Once you do that, you're going to have to put a little bit of pressure on top of this air box to clamp these 2 clamps down that you removed. But you got to put a little bit of pressure on there to make sure that they clamp. But once you clamp those down, then you're going to attach your air hose back to your air box, tighten it down with a Phillips flathead screwdriver, and that's it. You have replaced the air filter on your Ford Explorer. You got any comments, questions, things that worked for you? Let me know. This is just a real quick video of how I replaced the air filter on a 2014 Ford Explorer. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a great day.